Welcome to Auto Xplore USA. Today we're taking a look at one of the most futuristic luxury motorhomes ever imagined, a vehicle that feels like it has been pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. This motorhome isn't just a mode of travel. It's a rolling statement of ultimate luxury, technology, and innovation on wheels. At first glance, the aerodynamic curves and sleek metallic body immediately catch your attention. The design flows seamlessly from the panoramic windshield all the way down the extended body, giving it an ultra-modern look that no traditional RV could ever match. It's not just a motorhome, it's a futuristic mansion on the highway. The front end showcases an expansive glass windshield that wraps around like the cockpit of a spaceship, offering the driver a wide-angle view of the road and surroundings. The grille and lighting details are minimalistic yet bold, with advanced LED accents built to stand out day or night. The polished chrome finish on the rims, combined with the massive multiple-wheel setup, gives it a commanding stance and promises both stability and strength even on long journeys. This isn't just about moving from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the journey in the most extraordinary way possible. As you step inside, you're greeted with a futuristic interior designed with ultimate comfort in mind. The layout is more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Think spacious lounges with ambient LED lighting, premium leather seating, and a smart interior system that responds to voice commands. Panoramic windows bring in natural light during the day, while at night, the soft glow of built-in lighting creates a calming atmosphere. Every inch of the space is designed to blend modern elegance with futuristic technology, making it feel like a five-star suite on wheels. Moving further inside, the kitchen area is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. From a fully automated cooking station to a hidden refrigerator and smart storage solutions, it ensures that luxury doesn't stop when it comes to meals. Whether you want to cook a gourmet dinner or simply grab a quick snack, this motorhome provides it all with the latest technology integrated seamlessly into the design. The bedroom continues this theme of opulence, offering a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, touch-sensitive controls for lighting and climate, and even a skylight view that allows you to stargaze while on the move. Imagine lying in bed while the vehicle cruises down the highway, enjoying both comfort and a view that no hotel room could ever replicate. Entertainment is another key highlight of this futuristic motorhome. With multiple large digital screens, immersive sound systems, and even the option for virtual reality experiences, it transforms downtime into unforgettable moments. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply relaxing with music, the technology built into this motorhome ensures the ultimate entertainment experience. On the technical side, this vehicle is designed not only for style, but also for performance. The aerodynamic body reduces drag, making it surprisingly efficient for its size. Advanced suspension systems ensure smooth handling, while high-performance engines provide the power needed to carry this luxurious palace across any terrain. Combined with self-driving technology and AI-assisted navigation, it takes the stress out of long-distance travel and replaces it with complete peace of mind. In conclusion, this futuristic motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about redefining what travel can be. It merges cutting-edge design with next-level technology, creating an experience that feels far beyond the present day. It's a glimpse into the future of road travel, where comfort, style, and innovation meet on an entirely new level. Number 2 spot on our list belongs to a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic mansion gliding down the highway. This luxury motorhome is designed for those who don't just travel, but travel in ultimate style, comfort, and exclusivity. Imagine rolling through the open desert or cruising along the coastline in something that feels like a five-star resort, except it moves with you. That's exactly the experience this motorhome delivers. From the outside, it immediately makes a bold statement. Its aerodynamic design is fused with futuristic styling that makes it look like a concept vehicle brought to life. The sleek silver body, massive multi-axle wheels, and curved glass panels give it a presence unlike anything else on the road. Even when parked, it looks like it belongs to a science fiction movie. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle symbol. Step inside and the real magic begins. The interior has been crafted to rival the world's finest penthouses. Spacious living areas with leather recliners and customizable LED lighting Create a mood that adapts to your journey. The walls are fitted with smart touchscreens, giving you full control over climate, entertainment, and even the shades at the touch of a finger. High ceilings and panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day, while at night, they transform into privacy-tinted glass for a sense of seclusion. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. Outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, wine cooler, and a smart refrigerator, it's built for those who expect fine dining no matter where they are. Granite countertops and ambient underlighting make it look straight out of a luxury apartment in New York City. The bedroom is designed as a private sanctuary. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress ensures that every night's sleep feels like one in a luxury hotel. Hidden compartments, a walk-in closet, and even a small private balcony that extends outward make it clear that this motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about living fully at every stop along the way. For entertainment, the motorhome features a fully integrated cinema room with a large OLED screen and surround sound. Whether it's movie night with friends or a solo gaming session, the experience feels immersive and world-class. Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity keep you online anywhere in the world, making it perfect for both leisure and business travelers. One of the standout features is the onboard spa bathroom, equipped with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a jacuzzi-style tub. It transforms daily routines into moments of pure relaxation. This is the kind of detail that separates ordinary luxury RVs from this next-level creation. Under the hood, power and performance match the lavish design. A heavy-duty hybrid engine ensures long-distance travel with efficiency, while advanced suspension systems provide a smooth ride across highways and rugged terrains alike. This combination of strength and refinement guarantees that you don't just travel, you glide. In every way, this #2 luxury motorhome is about pushing boundaries. It combines art, engineering, and lifestyle into one breathtaking package. For those who can afford it, owning this motorhome is not about having a vehicle. It's about owning a moving statement piece that screams success and sophistication. This luxury motorhome takes futuristic design to a whole new level, blending elegance, technology, and comfort in a way that feels more like a moving 5-star hotel than a traditional RV. From the outside, the first thing that captures your attention is its sleek aerodynamic body. With its metallic silver finish and curved lines, it almost looks like something designed for a sci-fi movie. The panoramic glass windshield stretches wide across the front, offering the driver an incredible view of the road ahead, while making the vehicle itself appear bold and commanding on the highway. Multiple oversized wheels with polished rims and integrated LED lights give it an appearance that is both powerful and refined, ensuring this motorhome stands out wherever it goes. Step inside, and the sense of luxury only deepens. The interior is designed to create an atmosphere of modern elegance, where every detail reflects comfort and exclusivity. The living area feels spacious thanks to retractable side panels and large floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The furnishings are crafted with high-quality leather seating, glass accents, and soft-touch materials that instantly make you forget you are inside a motorhome. A built-in smart lighting system adjusts the brightness and mood of the space automatically, creating the perfect ambiance whether you are relaxing during the day or winding down at night. The kitchen area is nothing short of impressive. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a full-sized refrigerator, induction stove, and touchscreen-controlled oven, it gives travelers the ability to prepare meals on the road without sacrificing convenience. The countertops are made of polished stone, while storage compartments are cleverly hidden to maintain a sleek and clutter-free environment. This kitchen feels as functional as any high-end apartment, making it ideal for both short trips and extended adventures. One of the most remarkable aspects of this motorhome is the entertainment and connectivity system. Integrated smart screens are placed throughout the interior, offering access to streaming services, navigation updates, and even climate control with just a touch or a voice command. A high-fidelity surround sound system enhances the cinematic experience, turning the motorhome into a personal theater when it's time to relax. The bedroom suite is another highlight, designed for maximum comfort and privacy. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep, while built-in smart blinds and soundproofing provide peace and quiet wherever the vehicle is parked. The adjoining bathroom offers luxury at its finest. featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and designer fixtures that rival those found in top-tier hotels. Every inch of this motorhome demonstrates a commitment to combining style with practicality. It is built not only for comfort but also for travel efficiency, offering advanced suspension and handling systems to provide a smooth ride despite its large size. With its futuristic design, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology, this motorhome stands as a symbol of how travel in the future will look, an experience where the journey is just as incredible as the destination. This luxury motorhome is a true example of how futuristic imagination meets real-world travel comfort. At first glance, its aerodynamic design and massive wheelbase instantly grab attention, making it look less like a motorhome and more like a moving luxury mansion. The exterior is crafted to resemble a futuristic spacecraft gliding on the highway, with metallic silver body panels, bold LED strips, and a panoramic windshield that stretches across the front, offering the driver unmatched visibility on the road. It's not just a vehicle, it's a bold design statement built to turn heads anywhere it goes. Stepping inside, the motorhome feels like entering a luxury penthouse suite. The interior is designed with a focus on comfort and elegance, featuring premium leather seating, marble-inspired flooring, and automated mood lighting that adjusts depending on the time of day. A spacious living area includes plush sofas, a widescreen entertainment system, and surround sound that makes every movie night unforgettable. The cabin is open and bright thanks to the large side windows that flood the entire space with natural light. One of the standout features is the fully equipped kitchen. It comes with smart appliances, including a built-in fridge, induction cooktop, oven, and even a hidden coffee machine that emerges with the touch of a button. Every detail is made to combine practicality with style, ensuring long journeys feel just as comfortable as staying in a luxury apartment. The motorhome also offers a dedicated dining space where a retractable table folds out from the wall. Surrounded by elegant chairs, this area doubles as a workspace for those who want to travel while staying productive. Moving towards the rear, the bedroom showcases a king-size bed with premium bedding and smart storage solutions built into the walls. Above the bed, a skylight provides a stunning view of the stars at night, making it perfect for travelers who love adventure without sacrificing luxury. The bathroom takes things to another level, designed more like a spa than a typical RV bathroom. It includes a rainfall shower, heated floors, and touchscreen mirrors with built-in lighting. Every inch of this motorhome has been engineered to provide the highest levels of comfort. From a technology standpoint, it's loaded with smart features. Voice-controlled systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with simple commands. Advanced safety systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system make driving this giant vehicle surprisingly easy. The engine provides not only powerful performance but also ensures smooth and efficient travel across long distances. Overall, this luxury motorhome is not just a way to move from one destination to another, but a futuristic lifestyle on wheels. It represents a perfect balance of design, comfort, and advanced technology, making it a dream for anyone who wants to explore the open road while living in absolute luxury. The fifth luxury motorhome on our list is designed to redefine what traveling in comfort really means. This masterpiece combines futuristic style with practical innovation, turning every journey into an experience of elegance and relaxation. The first thing you notice about this motorhome is its sleek aerodynamic body that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. With a streamlined metallic finish and bold lighting accents, it grabs attention on any highway. But the beauty of this motorhome isn't just about the exterior. It's about how the design merges technology and comfort in a way few vehicles can achieve. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a moving vehicle. The wide panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, offering breathtaking views of the road and landscape ahead. The living area is furnished with plush seating crafted from premium leather, with integrated heating and cooling systems built right into the seats. This isn't just travel, it's about enjoying the road in absolute luxury. The kitchen area is a highlight on its own, fitted with modern appliances that you'd expect in a high-end home. From a smart refrigerator that manages your groceries, to a built-in oven and induction stove, every detail has been designed to bring convenience on the go. Imagine cooking a full meal while cruising through the mountains or preparing a quick snack before a night of stargazing. The possibilities are endless. For rest and relaxation, the bedroom in this motorhome feels like a 5-star suite. A king-sized memory foam bed ensures maximum comfort, while ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood. Some models even include retractable smart glass ceilings, allowing you to fall asleep under the stars without ever stepping outside. Privacy, comfort, and design blend seamlessly here. Technology plays a massive role in this motorhome's luxury experience. An advanced infotainment system controls everything from lighting and climate to entertainment, all accessible through voice commands or a central touchscreen. For travelers who like to stay connected, there's built-in high-speed satellite internet, turning the motorhome into a mobile smart home. Even the bathroom speaks luxury, with marble countertops, a rainfall shower, and touchless fixtures that make everyday routines feel indulgent. Space is used efficiently, ensuring that even though you're traveling, nothing feels cramped or compromised. What sets this motorhome apart from others is its focus on blending mobility with true opulence. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of lifestyle. It's built for those who don't want to choose between adventure and comfort, for those who want both. Whether it's crossing deserts, climbing mountain roads, or cruising along the coast, this luxury motorhome ensures that every mile is experienced in style. For anyone seeking a futuristic blend of performance, design, and high-end living, this motorhome is a dream come true. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Xplore USA.